Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of JS Hello 3 Plus. This watch you can buy from Zorving. Link is in the description. You can buy on AliExpress, and this is an upgrade version of Hello Watch 3 Plus. But I didn't recommend Hello Watch 3 Plus on my channel because of the fact that it was using the same processor compared to Hello Watch 3, and they can easily upgrade the OS in Hello Watch 3, but they didn't, which is I believe a bad practice. So they want you to purchase a new watch just to get a new software, which is annoying in my opinion. So in the box, as you can see, we have two straps. One is in orange and the other one is white, and quick start guide. So in the end I will tell you, should you buy this one or skip this one. And as you can see, we have the watch. Let me peel the plastic off. This is actually quite heavy compared to HK9 Ultra 2. And on the side we have crown key, power button, speaker hose. Let me peel the plastic off from the back as well. We have heart rate sensor, and the color of the body is really similar to Apple Watch Ultra. On the left hand side you can see speaker grill and action button. So let me turn this on by pressing the not the power key actually, there is a power button on the bottom. Let me press that. So now it's on, and I'm going to rotate the crown key. If I rotate the crown key, it goes straight into the quick menu, and if I swipe down, as you can see, it goes into grid menu view. And honestly guys, the speed is not that great compared to HK9 Ultra 2. It is one of the fastest clone in the market right now, HK9 Ultra 2, compared to Hello Watch 3 Plus and JS Hello 3 Plus. Animations are not that smooth as well, because I believe that they are not using a real 60 hertz display. I believe they are mentioning that it is 90 hertz, but it should be fast. I believe the processor is not that fast compared to HK9 Ultra 2, but the screen is good. It is using real AMOLED display. And here is another watch face, and the bezel size is very thin, as you can see. We have Snoopy watch face. Here is another one. And you can install more watch faces in the application, but they don't have a lot of watch faces available right now. So this is the photo album. You can set 3 photos maximum, but you cannot change the font color and the position of font, which is very annoying in my opinion. And this watch face also does not have a night mode. If you tap on it, it does not go into night mode. If I swipe from the top, as you can see, we have notifications. Swipe from the bottom, it goes straight into quick menu. Honestly guys, speed is not that great, which I have told you previously. HK9 Ultra 2 still is, in my opinion, one of the best clones. But you can connect your Bluetooth earphones in this one, which you cannot do on HK9 Ultra 2, which is very annoying. And here is the activity application and phone dialer, music application, weather, activity. So let me just show you calculator application as well, and compass we have. But the animation is really good in this application. As you can see, it's very similar to Apple Watch Ultra. Looks good. So let me just close it by swiping to the left, I believe. Let me try this. And the crown key also has a good, very good feedback. So it has palm gesture as well, and wrist to wake feature also works really good. So let's try heart rate sensor in this one. It's not measuring. I believe they are using a real heart rate sensor in this one. Now let me just put it on my wrist and see if it works. So as you can see, now it's measuring, which is a good thing that they are using a good sensor in this one. In HK9 Ultra 2 the sensor is completely trash, but other features are really great. So if you want an accurate heart rate monitor sensor in Apple Watch Ultra copy, then you should buy this one. I believe it is accurate. And it also has blood pressure sensor as well. We have phone application, music, weather application as well. Voice assistant you can use by connecting to Bluetooth. So if I go into about, as you can see, we have a model name, number, version number, and by double tapping on the crown key you can go into recent menu, recent apps, as you can see. So overall guys, in my opinion, if you already have HK9 Ultra 2, you don't need to purchase this one and Hello Watch 3 Plus, because in my opinion HK9 Ultra 2 is still one of the best clones that is available for if you want to buy an Apple Watch Ultra 2 clone. But guys, honestly, they need to improve speed and animations compared to HK9 Ultra 2. I believe this is very slow compared to HK9 Ultra 2. Animations are still not that great. And hopefully we will see a future watch, Hello Watch 4, that is using 90 Hz refresh rate, I believe. I'm not sure, it is just rumors, but don't quote me on that. I really like the list view in this one, and in HK9 Ultra 2 the list view is not that great, but here it's looking really like Apple Watch Ultra. So we have 2 games, and the performance is really slow, as you can see, but nobody is playing games on their smartwatches, I believe. So honestly guys, if you already have HK9 Ultra 2, there's no need to upgrade to another model. And if you like this video, please guys give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. And let me just show you quickly the charging animation. As you can see, we cannot rotate it in landscape mode, which is really annoying actually. So it stays in portrait mode once we put that on charging dock. So guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.